I hope you're ready because today we're going to be doing some fingerspelling practice. Let's learn the basics. Hello everybody, my name is Chris Gorgeous. If you're new to the channel, I help others learn sign language through simple and easy to follow lessons, tips and tricks, and some effective learning strategies. And of course, one of the things that you have to do in order to improve your skill in really anything is practice. So that's exactly what we're going to be doing today. Before we get started, I do want to mention that if you are new to learning sign language, I made a guide with new learners in mind called 6 Steps to Sign Language Fluency that you might find very helpful. You can actually download a free copy for yourself in the description down below. So I'm going to fingerspell 3 different names, and I'm going to do each name at 3 different speeds. The first time I sign it, it will be at full speed. The second time I sign it, it will be at about an intermediate level, and then the last time that I sign it, it will be at a beginner's pace. And if you're able to understand the name that I fingerspelled, pause the video and go ahead and type your answer in the comments. But remember, there's no cheating. And here's the first name. If you understood that name, post the answer in the comments now. On to the second name. If you happen to catch the name, type it in the comments now. Now on to the last name. So if you caught all 3 of those names, be sure to post your answers down in the comments below, and also feel free to share at what speed you're able to understand those fingerspelled names. And if you didn't get it the first time and you had to go back and rewatch the video, that is perfectly fine. Because understand that in the real world, when you're fingerspelling with another person or with another signer, you have the ability to ask that person to sign again or to slow down. And remember, when it comes to fingerspelling, it's a much kinder thing to ask the person to slow down or to sign it again so that you understand what it is that they spelt, rather than just pretend that you understood it and move on with the conversation. So I hope you enjoyed today's receptive fingerspelling practice video. If you would like more of these in the future, please let me know down in the comments below, and I can start building up a playlist of receptive practice videos. And in a future video, I'll be sure to cover some tips and tricks when it comes to fingerspelling, both on how to understand other people's fingerspelling, but also how to more effectively and more clearly produce fingerspelling when you're doing it expressively. And if you've been finding these videos helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell icon. That way you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. And on a side note, if you happen to like this t-shirt where it says, "I let my hands do the talking," I actually have a link in the description down below where you can get this for yourself. So I do have one challenge for all of you, if you're able to be brave enough and confident enough to fingerspell your own name and post it up on either Instagram or TikTok, and tag me at ASL Basics. I'd love to meet all of you. If you're interested in supporting the channel and helping us make more content in the future, please consider checking our Patreon page. Know that if you do become a patron, you do have access to extended learning support. You can feel free to contact me at any time with any questions about vocabulary or grammar, and I'll be sure to answer you directly. And also, there'll be exclusive videos that you won't find anywhere else except for Patreon. So we do have a couple other programs that are set up through Patreon, one of them being one-on-one tutoring. So if you feel like you've been having a really difficult time learning the sign language and you just need a little extra help, we do have a program to where we will work with you on a one-on-one basis. Or another program that we've recently launched are group practice sessions. So this is for those that may live in rural communities or may have been learning sign language but have been having a hard time finding friends or family or other deaf in the community to get that practice, to make that progress. So if you're interested in either one-on-one tutoring or online group practice sessions, or just having access to learning support and also to some exclusive content, be sure to check out what we have over at patreon.com/ASL Basics. So I want to thank all of you for your support, and until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.